rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, we are witnessing a beautiful scene that reflects the greatness of Allah's creation. Around us, there's a lush green jungle, with greenery stretching as far as the eye can see. The blue sky above and the vibrant greenery all around showcase the magnificence of Allah's creation. In the midst of this beauty, there is a magnificent white horse gracefully trotting along. This horse is not just an animal. It is a sign of Allah's magnificent creation. Every movement, every step of this horse reminds us of Allah's perfect design and the beauty of His creation. As we watch this horse, let it remind us of Allah's wisdom and how every part of His creation is a testament to His greatness. Let's take a moment to appreciate this beautiful scene and reflect on the greatness of Allah's creation. You can use this narration for your video. Let me know if you need anything else.
Ma'am, 2 minutes और.
I'm here to help whenever you're ready. Take your time.